Kushone abantu abayisikhombisa kwathi abangaphezu kwamashumi amabili balimala kabi kulandela ukushayisana mahlanze kwebhasi kanye neloli emgwaqeni onguthela wayeka uN3 phakathi kwase Mtshezi nakwa Nobamba. Khathi siza lapha ezindabeni umzila walomgwaqo obheke ngaseningizimu ubuvaliwe kanti nabo sizoliphuthumayo bebesendaweni yesigameko.
There has been a crash involving 4 vehicles. 2 trucks, one of them a tanker carrying a hazardous substance which is currently burning. The other a light motor vehicle, and the 4th vehicle is a bus. Paramedics are treating 30 patients, 30 patients at the scene. Several of these patients are critically injured. The others have sustained serious and minor injuries. They have all been treated at the scene and are being transported to hospital as we speak. The N3 highway in the vicinity of Hidcote is currently closed. The tanker and the bus are still well alight, creating severe heat which is affecting the southbound carriageway as well.